Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Guys, I have been busy since yesterday evening cleaning knives, getting ready for tonight's auction. 7 p.m. on Whatnot. I'll be there. I hope to see y'all there. Appreciate y'all's support. But I'm fitting to show y'all what I have. There's 76 items. Plus, I'm giving a few things away, so it's gonna be cool. So I hope to see you tonight, guys. But anyway, thank y'all so much. Again, I appreciate all the support, and I hope you enjoy the video. Guys, 76 items. You got a Zippo. You got a USA right there. That's a Saber fixed blade made in Japan. But I've done cleaned every knife, guys. Every knife, oiled it. Everything looks good. But you got all kinds of stuff in it. That's a petrified fish. I learned some things about those. Let's see. That's a Gerber. That's a Gerber. That's a buck. That's a looks like a Parker. It's made in Japan. That right there, I got in the other day in the confiscated knives. That thing was rusty, but that thing looks good now. That right there's an Ozark Trail, a Civivi. That right there is a shark belly Gerber. That's right there is a USA Browning. And those are just some other knives there. I don't forgot the names of them. That's a Bird made by Spyderco. That's a Schrade Walden. But that's a Coast Civivi. That right there, that's a Jewel right there. That's a Chicago Cutlery. That right there is actually American Eagle brand. That's imported in here in the late 70s by Jim Parker, or early 80s. That right there is that case, guys. I'm gonna put it out there. I'm gonna put it at a price. I'm gonna be good with selling, but that's at $63.47 with the 33.47 blades. That's a Gerber. That's a Remington. That right there is a Cold Steel AD10. They sell anywhere from $150 to up to $200, and that's the real deal. That's a Gerber, Civivi. That right there's a almost mint Boy Scout from made from 1989 up to 2007. That right there is a one of a kind. I'm gonna reveal that tonight. That right there is a one of a kind. It's an old timer. It's a 70T. That's what it is. It looks like an LB7, but it's one of a kind, guys. We're gonna start it at $1. Just a fixed blade. That right there is a Ward's. That right there, I found that's a Schrade Walden right there. Shark belly. Look at that little old timer. Now that one right there, guys, I really don't want to sell. I'm gonna put it out there at a price I feel comfortable with, so you'll be able to pre-bid on these. I'm fitting to start taking pictures and uploading these things. But that's a Masters of Defense Scorpion neck knife. They got one for sale on Arizona Knives right now for $225 with a sheath. So, but I want to keep it, but I will sell it, and it's going to be started at a price I feel good about selling it at. You'll have to check it out on Whatnot. That right there is a Boca USA. It's all good and clean. It does have a couple of pin cracks, but other than that, it's in great shape. That right there is a Cold Steel, a Holdout. That's about an $80 knife. Another fixed blade. We got some challenge coins we're auctioning off. I'm also giving some of those away. That's that Vietnam US knife. I changed out the spring on that the other day. It's a great knife. That's a Boker. I'm not a Boker. That's a Baron Son right there. A razor knife. Gerber. Both of them USA. That's Swiss Tech. That right there is a Schrade Walden. And this one here, guys, is a 1080T in the box. It ain't mint, but it's in great shape. There's that beautiful case knife I got in off at confiscated knives the other day. Look at that bone. It cleaned up good. Cleaned up real good, guys. That'll be out there. That's another little Schrade Walden in great shape. That right there, I forgot to mention, that's a Buck 303. It's a VV, and that's a Schrade. I put that shield on there. That's a Schrade. The sheath's in great shape. But just a bunch of good knives, guys. I got all kind of mix. It's all mixed up tonight. I got a few case. I've got a few of everything. A lot of Gerber. But it's going to be a great auction tonight, guys. And I hope to see y'all there. But I'll just give y'all a quick pan again, but I've been cleaning since yesterday evening. And I just got done right after lunch here. But be some great knives tonight at the auction. And I hope to see y'all there, over there on Whatnot. Anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today. Hey, don't forget, tonight's auction, 7 p.m. Eastern time over there on Whatnot. The link is down in the video description. So thank y'all again so much. I want to say God bless to each and every one of y'all. Till we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.